Hi, my name is Jordan, and I work under the Ambiguity Lab. I'll be presenting our lab's research where we probe large language models, which I will refer to as LLMs, and see if they can resolve ambiguous language similarly to humans. Natural language you speak in everyday life is full of ambiguities. For example, let's look at the sentence, flying planes can be dangerous. This sentence could either mean piloting planes can be dangerous, or planes flying in the air can be dangerous. For our research, we'll look at a specific type of ambiguous sentences called quantifier negations. These are sentences with a quantifier such as every, each, or all, with a negation following it within the same clause. One example of this sentence is every horse did not jump over the fence. This could mean not every horse jumped over the fence, or no horse jumped over the fence. When humans hear ambiguous sentences like this, we often use the context to figure out which meaning the speaker intends to communicate. In our experiments, we seek to learn about the LLM's capabilities to disambiguate natural language using the context. For our first experiment, we have the LLMs judge the interpretation of 390 ambiguous every not sentences while also providing the surrounding context. For example, we would give the LLMs the sentences, we feel really blessed and lucky because we had enough food. We had the shelter and we had each other. And we really recognize that everybody didn't. And though we've lost a number of people, we didn't lose each other. Then our prompt would continue to ask the LLM to give its interpretation of, and we really recognize that everybody didn't, whether it meant nobody did or not everybody did. We would then compare the LLM judgments to crowdsourced human judgments we already have for the same set of sentences. Preliminary results using GPT 3.5 have been promising, showing human and LLM judgments align. Currently, we're working with a variety of ways to test the LLMs on judgment tasks to give them the best chance of demonstrating human-like performance. In our next experiment, you want to know whether humans and LLMs make similar judgments because both process context similarly. To do so, we'll see if humans and LLMs interpret similar knowledge from the context preceding an ambiguous sentence. If our findings show that LLMs process ambiguous natural language texts similarly to humans, this could suggest that LLMs can be more reliable than expected in real-world applications with its high-level language understanding. Thank you for listening to this presentation on the Ambiguity Lab's research.